Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to create a collection in Postman. So let's start. First of all, open your Postman app. Once you open your Postman app, then you can see the interface like this. So what is collection? So collection let you group the related requests, so making them easier to access and run. So if you have multiple APIs which belongs to different modules, then you can group their APIs into the collections. So let's see how to create a collection. So in my case, I'm clicking on the history. So these are some sample APIs. Now from these sample APIs, I want to create a collection. So let me click one of the API. So this is the API. Now I want to add this API to my collection. So over here you can see the option save, or there is an arrow. So click on the arrow, or you can also click on the save. So click on save as. So once you click on the save as, you can see the new pop-up which says save request. So we don't have any collection. So over here you can see the option create collection. So click on the button create a collection. Now give a proper name to the collection. So in my case I am giving test collection. So you can give a name as per your choice. Then click on create button. So over here you can see the collection is created. Now click on save. And if you go to the collections over here, and over here you can see the test collection is created and one API is added to that collection. Similarly, you can add multiple APIs to this collection. So I'm going to the history and clicking on the second API. Then I'm clicking on the save. So you can see the similar pop-up save request. Now we have already created a collection. So I'm just clicking on the save. So this API is added to existing collection. So if you click on the collections, you can see under the test collection, there are two APIs are added. So in this way, you can simply create a collection in Postman. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.